What do you think it is, Jack? Can you open it? What do you think it is?
It has a key lock.
Huh?
It has a key lock. Oh no!
What is that, Jack? Guess.
I'm guessing it's a typewriter.
That's right.
Oh yeah, it's like that. Jack.
Hey, it has words on it.
Can you see it?
Okay,
Does
now
it
you
work?
see it. Wow, it does. Now you have
What does it
typewriter.
say? Someone wrote on it.
Oh, it's probably his elves.
Wow. Now you can start writing
Dear
your stories.
Jackson, have a Merry Christmas. That I is supposed to be capital.
It's okay. They're elves.
I hope you enjoy this as much as I think you are. I am so proud of how well you are doing in school. Keep up the good work. Always remember to listen to your family, especially your mommy. Merry Christmas.
Especially your mama.
He knows
It's not
it.
hard to type.
Yeah, but look, to put the actual ink on the paper, you need to type the key hard. You see? Now, don't do it.
Whoopsie.
Now, don't do it hard. Watch. It won't really ink it on there.
You don't have to do it that hard either.
But then it looks
Just
good.
do it like this.
Yeah. Wait, Jackie, no, remember? There's the button that you do.
Can I write?
Of course. Wait, you have your stocking. You have stuff.
Wait. Where's shift?
Honey, we're going to have to YouTube it. I really don't know.
What are you
Oh,
trying?
this is shift.
What are you trying to shift for?
Go to the next
Apple?
line.
Shift don't go to the next line.
Doesn't it? Yes, it does.
And tab does. Use your tab. Tab key. Right here.
Jackie.
See?
Jackie, do you like it?
Yep.
You can't. No, it stays in there. It stays in there.
It's heavy.